Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Maria Teresa Ulila Moreno. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have two daughters, aged 8 and 9 years old. I am from San Ramon Aglipay, Quirino, Philippines, and I'm currently working as a domestic helper here in Doha, Qatar. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and reading. I work as domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I serve one couple and three children aged 4, 8, and 10 years old. I work as foreign domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years. I serve one couple and four children aged 24, 26, 28, and 30 years old, and one elderly aged 86. I am currently working as a domestic helper here in Doha, Qatar with 2 years contract since September 15, 2023, and I'm about to finish on October 30, 2025. I serve one couple and one newly born baby. My duties and responsibilities on my previous employers are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing and washing clothes, marketing, car washing, taking care of the children and their pets. My duties and responsibilities on my current employer here in Doha, Qatar are taking care of the newly born baby, cleaning the house, ironing and washing clothes, preparing baby needs while the baby is still sleeping. I intend to work in Hong Kong to aim high salary to sustain the needs of my family, especially the education of my two daughters and my one college brother. I am very much willing to take good care of a newly born baby, toddler, children, elderly, and pets. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please don't hire me as your domestic helper, and I promise to do my best. I am loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I promise to take good care of your children just like my own daughters. I promise to respect your elderly just like my own parents. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.